guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be I'm dreading this, and I'm dreading this because I'm kind of tired of doing eco style reviews, because why the fudge can y'all not send us PR packages? I'm just gonna ask, because I honestly need to know, and I know you guys are gonna watch this video because you guys told me you guys were gonna watch this video. So why did I have to go all the way down to Gurlll Fest? I'm gonna rant right quick. Why did I have to go all the way to Gurlll Fest to pick up your gel to review it when I didn't even want to go to Gurlll Fest? First of all, we gonna talk about y'all. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys already know why I did not want to go to Gurlll Fest. But we'll talk about that in a live. This is live conversation, so when I hop on live, that's what we're going to talk about. But anyway, I had to get in line for this gel. This is going to be the last eco styler review that I do, that these motherfuckers do not send it to me. I can't be doing this. I got too much stuff anyway, too many products and too many other brands that send us products and that are actually receptive to the feedback and the sales and stuff that we actually allow them to get. Without further ado, I am going to do the review on this gel. Other than that, the marketing on this gel, like I mentioned on my Instagram, is great. So they released this gel at Gurlll Fest. This was the little bag that they gave. They did give them to me now. I didn't pay for it, okay? They did give it to me. This is what it looks like. It's actually the Eco Styler Unicorn Glitter Gel. And if y'all ever heard me talk, I thought this was so funny because I will refer to stuff as unicorn piss. And we're gonna see if this is like unicorn piss. But this is what it looks like. It was so funny because I had posted this on my Instagram as soon as they posted it. And somebody was like, I don't know if I could do glitter in my gels. And I was just like, but like all of their last gels have glitter in it. So it's just marketing, basically. So I'm not looking for this to react no other kind of way, but we're gonna see how it's reacting. So this is the lid that comes on it. This is how it looks. It's very, very glittery. You guys cannot see it. Hopefully I can get a better shot of it because my lights are like, boom, you know what I'm saying? This gel looks pretty good. It's pink, it's marketing, it's cute, but is it different than anything else? We're gonna see right now. So I've already shampooed my hair. I wanted everything to be off a fresh slate. You guys know how I do my reviews. My hair is shampooed, it is conditioned, it's detangled, it's deep conditioned, it's moisturized. I got the leave-in on, all that is done. And I use this new Briogeo products that I actually have. I kind of like the shampoo and conditioner so far. I started off by shampooing with the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino Avocado Hydrating Shampoo. It looks like this. Y'all know the packaging is white, so you really can't see it. But I like how they got these like disguisable tops to make it look all fancy. But then once you pop it off, it looks like a regular one with regular nozzle. So I don't know. I just thought that was cute. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. So I did start off by using those two. And I used this Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. This is what it looks like. I know y'all probably seen this all over Instagram. Just got my hands on it and I'm absolutely in love with this thing. This is a very great deep conditioner. I'm not the one that raves or loves coconut, but that right there is thebomb.com. So I put that on and then rinse that out. And then I just went in with my Kinky Curly Knot Today, which I left in the shower, but y'all know what that looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this wash and go because, hunty, I'm tired of my hair being wet and dripping, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I just left my plastic cap on with my leave-in, and then I just wrapped it up in this towel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that out. Hair is good and moisturized. And you guys know we like to start from the back. Now, I have only finger detangled my hair. I have not detangled my hair with any type of hair tools, and I will not be doing that. I am back on finger detangling. Ooh, my hair smells amazing. Okay, we're gonna start from the back, and I'm gonna go get my water bottle because once again, I forgot. Got my water. Section is out. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of the gel. Looks like this. Ooh, it's very pretty. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on the roots. Work it down. This is what the hair looks like after I've applied the gel. Let me read what this is supposed to be doing. Cause yeah, I don't know. This ain't really reacting like normal eco. Cast a spell on ordinary with unicorn glitter gel. Cast a spell on ordinary. Enchant your mane with dazzling sparkle, legendary shine, and mystical moisture. Wait a minute. This is supposed to have unicorn flower extract. What the hell is a unicorn flower? It will lift the curse of stiff, dry. Like I said, we're gonna just keep going. I think I'm about to just go ahead and try to shingle, because I don't think this is gonna work if I don't. Because I feel like this has a little bit too much moisturizing going on in this gel, and I'm really not looking for that right now. I don't like how puffy my roots look. It's not clumping my curls, so that's why I wanted to go ahead and just shingle, because if not, it was just not gonna clump my curls. So if you like the whole separated look, then this might be for you. But if you like for your curls to be a little clumped, I don't know. Okay, you guys, so there's someone mowing grass outside, so disregard that. But I've completed my entire head. I have shingled everything, and this is what it's looking like. It's not very lifted in the back yet, but you know, once we dry, we'll get that. Now, I want this to kind of be back a little bit, so I do like adding these little silver pins now to my hair just to get it to do exactly what I want it to do, because sometimes my hair just lays, well, all the time, it just lays how I want to lay. I'm gonna just try to put a little clip there because I kind of want that to fall like that. And then I'm gonna put this clip here because I kind of want this to go up a little like that. Now that I have my clips in, my hair is all done, all of the gel is applied. Let me tell you what I think so far. I don't know how this gel would react if it had another product with it, like a combo. I don't know how this will react because it's very, very, very moisturizing. I got really close into my magnifying mirror with my lights and stuff because I really wanted to see how the gel was applying to my hair. So as I applied it to my hair, you could tell that the gel wasn't clinging onto my hair strands like it should. So I don't know if my leave-in using the Kinky Curly Knot today with this was creating that, but in all honesty, it still looks really good. But I did have a hard time shingling my hair today, which I'm not very happy about, but hopefully it dries quicker because it is shingled hair and it seems like it's drying pretty quick anyway. Now, something else, this glitter is on a whole nother level, and I think that's why they put the word glitter in it. It's still the same, kind of the same glitter that's in the other gel, but you can actually see this glitter on your hands and your hair. I don't know. I'm gonna let it dry, but just for the fact that I had to shingle my hair, this is already, I could tell, not gonna be like a favorite gel of mine because I don't want to be forced to shingle my hair. We're actually trying to cut down the wash day time, so I just need something I can slap on my hair. But you know, I'm sure it's gonna come out fine. But let's go ahead and hop under the dryer, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final results. So these are my final results, and I think they are absolutely gorgeous. But this comes with shingling, okay? Now, we're gonna get into this product, the Eco Styler Glitter. Okay, first of all, I don't think you need to go out and buy it. It's not like completely different than a lot of other things, but it is very moisturizing. It's so moisturizing that, like I said earlier, even when I was applying the product to my hair, I could see it kind of separating a little bit. It's good. My hair looks beautiful. If this is the only gel your beauty store has, it's a good gel. I do recommend it. My hair looks amazing, but I did shingle my hair. I don't think this gel is going to be one of those gels where I just take it and just apply it to my hair and then I walk out the door. I think this is more of a shingling gel just because of how it reacts. Now, I don't know what pairs with this. It's a cute gel. I feel like this is an ideal gel to get like a little girl maybe. If it doesn't do anything different than the other gels, I just say do not go out and get it. Oh, and if you hate glitter, like if you hate glitter on your hands or if you hate glitter on your forehead, you might not want to mess with this, because when I was applying it and stuff, my entire hand was like glittery and my forehead was glittery and all that good stuff. But now I do think it added an additional piece of shine factor to my hair. If you don't like glitter, don't use it. and that's that. It smells just like the other gels. I don't work for EcoStyle, but I did go to Curl Fest to pick it up just so I can try it for you guys. So anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see other combos with this gel, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll try to get that out to you. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.